What's the meaning of affricate? Affricate. 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 An affricate is a consonant sound that begins as a plosive, like a p or t sound, but is immediately followed by a fricative, like an s or sh sound. The transition from plosive to fricative creates a unique sound, typically described as a short, sharp burst of noise followed by a longer, continuous hissing or buzzing sound. English has several affricate sounds, such as the ch in church and the j in just. Affricates are important in phonetics and language learning because they can be challenging for non-native speakers to distinguish and produce correctly.